Nintendo is gearing up to release its next major console, often referred to as the Switch 2, but it's not just the hardware that's grabbing attention. Instead of launching with just better specs and visuals, Nintendo is rethinking the entire console experience, starting with an enormous system update available the moment you power on the device. This isn't your standard bug fix or firmware refresh. It's a foundational part of how Nintendo is rolling out its next-generation system. While leaks and speculation point to improvements like a vibrant OLED screen, upgraded internals, and support for NVIDIA's AI-enhanced upscaling DLS, it's the software experience that's positioned as the true star of the launch. What really sets this release apart is how Nintendo is handling coverage and impressions. In a move that bucks industry norms, early review units won't be sent to influencers or media outlets. That means no early benchmarks, no sneak peeks, and no pre-release tutorials. Everyone from journalists to first-day buyers will experience the console together, post-update, in its final form. Why this unusual approach? It appears to be a deliberate choice aimed at shaping the public's perception through the polished, complete version of the console, not a pre-release build. Nintendo seems to believe the final product is strong enough to speak for itself, and it wants the first wave of reactions to reflect the full, optimized experience. So what can users expect from this highly anticipated update? One of the biggest changes is a full redesign of the console's user interface. The original Switch UI has barely changed since its debut in 2017. Functional, yes, but far behind what's available on the PlayStation 5 or Steam Deck in terms of modernity and usability. The new interface is rumored to introduce faster navigation, theme options, improved folders, and more customization, all designed to streamline how players interact with their system. Equally important is a complete revamp of Nintendo's digital store. The current eShop has long been criticized for its sluggish loading times and clunky layout. The updated store could feature smarter search tools, personalized game recommendations, a better wishlist system, and a storefront design that feels more curated, similar to what PC gamers experience on Steam. Behind the scenes, performance optimization will be a key part of the upgrade. If the console truly includes NVIDIA's DLS tech, the update will play a crucial role in fine-tuning how games look and run. Upscaling to near 4K visuals and smoothing out frame rates takes more than just hardware. It requires smart software working behind the scenes to deliver a flawless experience. Nintendo's decision to delay hands-on reviews until launch day is also a response to today's fast-moving digital landscape. First impressions matter more than ever, and even a single negative comment can snowball online. By holding back previews, Nintendo is reducing the risk of half-baked opinions and encouraging coverage that reflects the system in its intended state. The result will likely be a launch day unlike any before. Real-time impressions, live streams, spontaneous reviews, and side-by-side comparisons will flood social media as buyers and content creators explore the console together. The shared experience of downloading and discovering the Day 1 update adds a sense of occasion to the launch, more like a cultural event than a typical release. This approach also suggests a shift in how Nintendo views the future of its consoles. Instead of relying on mid-generation hardware revisions, like a Switch Pro, the company might adopt a more flexible, update-driven model similar to smartphones. This could allow the Switch 2 to stay relevant for years, with regular software updates that introduce new features, refine performance, and evolve the overall experience. There's also growing speculation that post-launch updates will bring even more to the table: full backward compatibility with the original Switch library, enhanced editions of beloved games, and new tools for developers to take advantage of the upgraded hardware. In short, Nintendo isn't just launching a new device, it's laying the groundwork for a new era. This next-generation console could become a platform that evolves continuously, delivering fresh experiences long after the hardware hits store shelves. With this bold strategy, Nintendo isn't chasing trends. It's setting its own course, betting that thoughtful design, long-term vision, and community-driven discovery will redefine what a console launch can be. When the system finally arrives, early adopters won't just be unboxing a piece of tech, they'll be stepping into the beginning of a whole new chapter in gaming.